I'm Sharon Scott Wilson with Resort Trades Magazine. I'm here with Matt Brosious, who is Vice President with Panorama. He specializes in HOA solutions, solutions for legacy resorts. Matt, welcome.
Thank you. Nice to see you again, Sharon.
Okay. Now, we've been discussing some various questions that Matt would probably be the best person to ask. One, what solutions are you coming up with for HOA and legacy resorts that make more sense to you?
Well, we have three major initiatives right now, and thank you for asking, Sharon. The initiatives that we have are all tools that are designed to help HOAs with their business. We really have, our goals is really threefold: to help them improve service levels, the resort to improve service levels to their owners and their guests, to increase revenue, and to reduce costs. So that's like the big three, and we have solutions which deliver on all three of those. And we're coming to market, Panorama is coming to market with three different HOA solutions. The first is really a great tool. It's called Owners Travel Club. It's a reward. You've heard of Owners Travel Club. It's a reward for timeshare owners, for loyal timeshare owners, to enjoy travel discounts at their favorite hotels, up to 600,000 hotels worldwide. This is through the whole ecosphere of RCI and our travel clubs at Panorama Travel Solutions. They can enjoy through Owners Travel Club great discounts that aren't available to them through established channels. So this is a free membership for owners. So there's no cost to the HOA, there's no cost to the owner, and they enjoy these great discounts. Now, if they want to save even more, they can move to a premium membership where they can save up to 60%.
How does a legacy resort get?
How do they get involved?
How do they offer? Yeah.
Okay. That's a good question. I was just about to say.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
I don't mean to steal your
That's okay, sure. We're friends. And anyway, I just booked a vacation, and the rack rate, the rate on all the OTAs was about $600 a night, 500 and change a night. I was able to book that for myself for $275 a night for a 6-night stay. So we're talking about a savings of almost $2,000.
Yeah.
And those are the kind of savings that are available to HOA owners. And for HOAs to get involved, it's very simple. We put together an email for them. We have a very simple marketing agreement. If they're already affiliated with RCI, it's even easier. And we have a very simple agreement, and they agree to send out some emails to their owners. And their owners' privacy is protected because we're not marketing to the owners. They're just sending out an email, and then people can opt in and claim their free membership. And one of the things that's very important to us is protecting the privacy of the owners so that there's no other marketing that goes to them. It's strictly Owners Travel Club. And the great thing about it is this has nothing to do with their week. They still have their week. They can exchange their week. They can rent their week. Hopefully they'll use their week at the home resort. But this is just an added benefit. So when somebody wants to pay their maintenance fee, you can say, pay your maintenance fee on time, and you'll get a free travel club membership. It's a really nice perk.
Yeah.
And it's super easy to get started. No cost to the HOA, no cost to the owner to get a standard membership as well. So that's one of the three solutions that we're coming to market with. By the way, Owners Travel Club, I neglected to say www.ownerstravelclub.com. You can go there. Now, if you're an owner, you will need an activation code from your home resort. But we invite owners to ask their resort, say, hey, we'd like to join Owners Travel Club. Where do I get our activation code? We'd be more than happy to set them up.
Now, is there a cost to the resort?
Nothing.
Oh,
in fact,
this is a slam dunk.
In some cases, there's even a revenue share.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That really is.
Every resort should have it by now. I'm not sure why they don't. Maybe that's my fault.
Well, anyway. That's our fault. Resort Trade hasn't been talking about it enough.
There you go. The rental solution we have is called OptiREZ. And it's a service which provides legacy resorts with a full-blown suite of revenue management tools, reporting, tools that aren't typically available to them, tools that you'd have to be a major resort in order to afford to develop. We have channel managers, we have booking engines, we can do resort websites, we have revenue management services, channel management services, and to put a cherry on the parfait, we have distribution available for resorts, for select inventory, to actually, we can help them with renting that through RCI's travel store, rci.com, and through the Panorama Travel Club. So there's additional opportunities for HOAs for distributing their inventory. And the great thing about that is that we specialize in quality. You know, it's RCI members and Panorama members. So we're specializing in people who are they're timeshare people, right? They're used to it. They want to stay a week. You know, they're used to staying a week. And they're willing, if they want to stay in a particular resort, they're willing to pay a premium price. Whereas if you go to the OTAs, the Expedias, and Travelocities, you're competing with every Tom, Dick, and Harry on the block at a low rate, and you're getting 2 and 3 night stays. We can do a much better job on those rentals. So we have a whole bunch of different options. We offer a free consulting session for any HOA resort, 1 hour session where we'll talk about their current situation and we'll make recommendations to them. And then if they want a proposal from us on how we can provide additional services, we're happy to do that. But there's no obligation. We'll provide any HOA or resort a free, 1 hour free consultation. And it's not just me, the sales guy. I include a revenue management. There's a real value there. We include a revenue management professional comes along with that to analyze their particular rental situation.
Well, of course, you got all RCI and all the Panorama.
Well, we're actually leveraging the very, very powerful revenue management team at RCI that actually provides those back-end services.
Yeah, this is big credibility.
But it's available to all the small HOAs. We're willing to help them. You know, for them to hire a revenue management person, if they want to get somebody that's just okay at that, it's going to cost $70,000 a year.
Yeah.
If they want to get somebody good, it's $1.50 a year.
Yeah.
We can provide those services for very, very affordably.
Wow.
I mean, very, very affordably. It's sort of a apples and oranges situation, but it's a great benefit, and we're happy to at least talk and see if there's some services that we can provide.
I know, Matt, that your Panorama are very tech savvy on top of things. So what kind of property management solutions do you have available?
Well, thanks, Sharon. Well, our Viewpoint system we've come to market with just in the last year after millions of dollars in development. It was actually in use in Asia Pacific and over 100 resorts there, and we proved the model, but we created this system, and it really does all three. It improves service levels, it increases revenue, and it reduces cost. It's an all-in-one property management solution. It's fully integrated with RCI. So all the resorts who are typing in their RCI reservations and getting emails from RCI and phone calls to verify reservations, they don't have to do that because it's fully integrated. All that work goes away.
Wow.
And it's fully integrated with the whole rental channel. For them renting their, owners can rent their weeks, or the HOA can rent their weeks. So we've got rentals fully integrated, and we've got a lot of other features that are built into the software. It basically is sort of a greatest hits of everything that you need to run your resort, but in a very easy to use, simple, and most importantly, very cost-effective cloud platform that's based on the Amazon web. And it's very easy to get started. We have resorts that are moving over from other systems out there, and we're onboarding them. We have a great onboarding team, and it's a really nice package, and it allows them to have full management for really on a cost-effective basis. I invite anybody who's interested to visit www.viewpointweb.com, and there's a lot of information there, or if you'd like to reach out to us, we'd be happy to answer any questions. For people that are interested in further information, please email us also at sales@viewpointweb.com. We'd be happy to hear from you, and we've got some great developments. We're adding new stuff every day, and really like to hear from you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sharon.
Thank you, Matt, and thank you for listening.